Hey guys! So today I will going to show you a quick tutorial on how to use layers mask. This is the image that we will be using. We will apply a black and white adjustment later, except on the gold paint on his face. Here at the bottom is the layers mask button. Let's duplicate this first, then add a curves adjustment. I want some contrast first before we apply the black and white adjustment. Then press Command or Control E to merge the curves adjustment and the duplicate layer below. Now we apply black and white adjustment. As you can see, it already have a layers mask. If a layer doesn't have a layers mask, for example this one, you can just click the button here, like that. So let's undo this. Let's go back to this adjustment. Make sure the mask is selected. Now in this image, you want the gold paint to be seen and not affected by the black and white adjustment at all. For that to happen, we need to paint black on this part where the gold paint is. Black paint because that is the opposite color of white. As you can see, white color here. So let's start. As you can see, the gold paint is starting to become visible. If you want to cover this with the black and white adjustment again, you can just paint this white, like this. Now there are parts that the original color of the skin is showing. You can just paint it white if you want to cover it with adjustment. But what I would like to do is add a layer, then change to color, then pick the color gold and paint it over here, like that. There. I just want to add curves layer here to add more contrast. I want to darken the background, but first let's merge this into one layer. Then let's add another layer for the background. I want to change the background to a darker gray. Let's fill this with this color. Then apply a layers mask. We want this layers mask to be black. For that, press Command or Control I. As As you can see, the gray layer is not visible because this is black. To make it visible, paint white around the model. I'm using a soft brush. You can press slash key to see where are the areas affected by the mask. Press slash key again to exit this. I just want the edges to be dark. To finish this, let's add gradient map. Okay, wrong gradient, undo that. Here. There, then change to overlay. Then decrease the opacity and fill.